Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. It's a good time to get the latest trends from the F&O space. Mangalam is joining us now with just that. Mangalam.
Well, as we can all see, the market's been grinding lower. Yesterday, the last hour, there was a big uptake. A large part of that was on account of expiry-related short covering. And now it was only fair that, once that move was taken out in the morning, first thing that would be unwound, and that's exactly what took place. So you have the Nifty Bankers, the mid-cap index, all of them lower. In the last hour, we also saw yesterday the volatility index saw a big nosedive, and now this morning it's come up back again closer to the 12 mark. So that's something which the street is pertaining as or looking at as sustainable from here on. The two data points that I'll be watching out for. One, the advance decline ratio. We have more stocks declining than the number of stocks which are advancing. Does that widen? Does that ratio widen from here on or not? And the second part I will look at is, does Nifty breach today's low and close to yesterday's low as well? Yesterday's low on the Nifty was 24,344. Today's low, 24,408. So that's something we will watch out for very, very closely. And remember, on the way up, you have to keep an eye out on the 100-day moving average for the Nifty. Yesterday, it closed above that, but the 100-day moving average is moving higher, right? So 24,474 mark is something that we need to conquer on a closing basis for the frontline index. Call writers believe that maybe on the way up, there is congestion. That's why the 24,500 call and the 24,600 call writers, these are options that expire next Thursday, fairly active in trade, 100 rupees premium on the 24,500 call and around 60-70 rupees on the 24,600 call. So around 24,600 to 24,650, there is supply which is likely. But at the lower levels, bulls aren't throwing in their towel. The 24,400 put is fairly, active in today's trading session, along with the 24,450 put. That tells you that closer to yesterday's low, around 24,300 to 24,350, there is likely to be some support for the frontline index. But a couple of stocks that deserve mention. Bharti Airtel, after the large trade, a lot of open interest activity taking place out there, most of that understandably on the short side. But the other one that we're looking at is Kalyan Jewellers, a huge jump in open interest, and the stock has seen a big nosedive from the top. Currently seeing a lot of short build-up, so watch out for Kalyan Jewellers. And finally, yesterday we had pointed out the possibility of RBL Bank looking to cross the threshold after which it will enter F&O ban. It has happened in the first hour of trade itself, so won't be surprised if RBL Bank does go into F&O ban today post-market.
RBL Bank may enter the F&O ban. Mangalam, thank you for that update.